Ever wonder how some people go from broke to billionaire? It's not luck, it's strategy. And today, I'm giving you the exact blueprint that changes everything. Watch this now, or stay stuck forever. Billionaires in the making. Today is not just another video. Today could be the day you rewrite your financial destiny. If you've ever felt stuck, trapped, or wondering if wealth is just a dream for other people, listen carefully. Wealth is not just for them, it's for you. You just haven't been taught the blueprint yet, until today. Stay locked in, because I'm breaking down proven steps that have turned the broke into billionaires. Steps you can start applying immediately. Ready to flip your story? Let's dive right in. Step 1. Shatter your old money mindset. Most people stay broke because they inherit a broken belief system about money. You've been told money is evil, rich people are greedy, or stay humble, stay poor. Stop. Right now, billionaires in the making, you need to reprogram your mind to believe wealth is your birthright. A poor mindset thinks in limitations, I can't afford it. A rich mindset thinks in opportunities, how can I afford it? Every decision you make flows from this belief system. Rebuild your mind and wealth will follow. If you're feeling this already, smash that like button so YouTube knows billionaires in the making are ready to rise. Step 2. Master one high-income skill. Now that your mind is sharp, it's time to, well, sharpen your weapons. No one escapes poverty by working harder at minimum wage. You escape by mastering a high-income skill, something the marketplace rewards heavily. Copywriting, digital marketing, software engineering, real estate, investing, coaching, content creation. Pick one, master it, and become dangerously good at it. Wealth follows those who solve expensive problems. Step 3. Stop trading time for money. If you only make money when you work, you're still a financial prisoner. You need to start building systems and assets. Things that pay you even when you sleep. Start simple. Create digital products. Build a YouTube channel. Launch a mini online course. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Build side hustles that scale without demanding your constant energy. Step 4. Multiply, don't add. Average people think in addition, if I get another job, I'll make more money. Billionaires think in multiplication. If I create one product, how can I sell it to 10,000 people? Ask yourself daily, how can I multiply my effort? How can I multiply my audience? How can I multiply my streams of income? The wealthy multiply, automate, and scale everything they touch. Step 5. Ruthlessly upgrade your environment. Look around you. Are your friends building empires or just gossiping? Your environment either feeds your future or poisons it. You can't soar like an eagle if you're nesting with pigeons. Find mentors, join masterminds, pay for better rooms if you have to, because honestly, who you surround yourself with is who you become. Step 6. Obsess over daily execution. You know, dreams are useless without discipline. Everyone wants success, but honestly, very few want the daily grind it requires. Set aggressive goals, create micro deadlines, hold yourself accountable every single day. Wealth is not an event. It's a series of consistent, maybe even boring daily wins stacked over time. The hustle isn't sexy, the results are. Always remember, small disciplines create massive destinies. Build a relentless vision. You will face setbacks, doubts, temptations to quit. The only thing that pulls you through those dark seasons is a vision so clear, so emotional, that quitting feels like death. Write your vision down, read it daily, obsess over it. Wealth belongs to those whose dreams are stronger than their fears, and billionaires in the making, make sure you turn on that notification bell. Because this is just the beginning of your billionaire financial lifestyle. Today you have the roadmap, now it's time to walk it. No more excuses, no more waiting. Your wealth story starts now. I believe in you, I see the billionaire within you. Let's make it real. This is Martins from Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy. Signing off, see you at the top. Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy.